pigs are smarter than you think. Today, we're diving into 5 surprising facts about pigs that will blow your mind. Fact number 1. Pigs are incredibly intelligent. They're ranked among the top 5 smartest animals on Earth, smarter than dogs and even some primates. Fact number 2. Their sense of smell is stronger than dogs. Pigs can sniff out food buried deep underground, and they're even used to hunt truffles in Europe. Fact number 3. Pigs are actually clean animals. They only roll in mud to cool off because they don't have sweat glands. Otherwise, they avoid dirty areas. Fact number 4. Pigs have excellent memories. They can remember locations, recognize other pigs, and even recall humans they haven't seen in years. Fact number 5. Pigs are emotional and social creatures. They form deep bonds, show empathy, and even dream, just like us. Who knew pigs were this awesome? Like, share, and follow for more mind-blowing animal facts.